Friends, today we are going to see the lead code problem 643 maximum average subarray 1. So this problem we have to find the maximum of sum of a subarray, not the entire array, there is a sum of a subarray. Okay, what is the length of the subarray? They have given already k. So we have to iterate through the loop. We have to iterate the array, but not the complete array. There is a sub array, say of k number of elements, and find the maximum. So for this, the approach that we are following is we need to find the first maximum average. Consider the k was given a value like 3. So instead of going to the entire array, first we will get the sum of the first 3 numbers, and then we have to go through the entire array and check if the first 3 numbers is sum of first 3 numbers, sorry, average of first 3 numbers is maximum of the current average. So that way we are incrementing by k number of elements and comparing with the average, maximum average, and we are returning the average of subarray. Okay, hope you understand this question.